Please open your books on page 723, and we're going to be working on customary units of weight. And remember, the weight of an object is how heavy it is. So the fact that an object is large or small does not necessarily mean it's going to be heavier or lighter. So for example, a large cardboard box full of feathers does not weigh more than a small aquarium full of water. So even though, let's say, we had a huge box, right? A big cardboard box, and it was full of just little feathers. So like, you have feathers that weigh almost nothing. The box would not be heavier than a small aquarium full of water. This would actually be probably much heavier than the box. So don't be fooled by the size of things. What we're focusing on is the weight of things, okay? So in your book, they're giving you some benchmark units or benchmark weights for reference. And they're showing you like a strawberry. One strawberry would be, and if that would look like a strawberry, would be equal to about 1 ounce, okay? So if you can kind of think how much a strawberry weighs, one strawberry, that's about 1 ounce. A small pineapple is about 1 pound. Oops, sorry. It's about 1 pound, and I keep putting it wrong, but it's lb. And one car would be like about 1 ton. So 1 car is about 1 ton, right? So using these, we're going to be able to kind of estimate the weight of things. So on page number 723, they're giving you the example of trying to figure out what is more reasonable. If a small packet of sugar weighs about it's weighed in ounces, a big bag of sugar would be weighed in pounds, correct? And then on example number 2, it's talking about trying to figure out which one is more reasonable for a leaf. An ounce, a pound, a ton, or 10 tons. So if we're talking about a leaf, right? Think about this. Would a leaf weigh more or less the same as a strawberry? The same as a pineapple? Oops. Or the same as a car or 10 cars? Well, we know that it's probably more like a strawberry, so we would say that we would measure the weight of a leaf in ounces, or it would be approximately 1 ounce, right? On example number 1 in the guided practice, it's asking you about a paper airplane, right? So you have a paper airplane. Basically, it's just a piece of paper folded, right? And there's your little paper airplane. And it's asking you, do you guys think it weighs 4 ounces, 40 ounces, 4 pounds, or 4 tons? So does it weigh about the weight of 4 strawberries? About 40 ounces, 40 strawberries? 4 pounds, that would be like one of those big bags of sugar. Or 4 tons, like about 4 cars. Well, we know that the most reasonable one would be 4 ounces. For the helicopter, does it weigh 5 ounces, about 5 strawberries? 500 ounces? Even 500 ounces, if we divide that by 16, it's not that many pounds. 5 tons or 500 tons? Well, if one car is about 1 ton, we can probably say that a helicopter is about 5 times as much as a car, so it would be 5 tons. 500 tons would be way too much. And a rabbit, we would measure a rabbit in ounces, 4 pounds, 40 pounds, or 4 tons. Well, we know 4 tons is too much. We know 4 ounces is too little. A bunny weighs more than 4 strawberries. So now we're left with 4 pounds or 40 pounds. So let's think about these two. 4 pounds, or this would be like about, one of those big, large bags of sugar that you get at the grocery store. or 40 pounds. That's about probably what you guys weigh. So a rabbit definitely does not weigh 40 pounds. We know that a rabbit weighs about 4 pounds. And I hope this helps. Go ahead and complete pages 725 and 726. Make sure that you complete both pages and even the hard problems, okay? Thanks.